Hello friends, good evening. We welcome you to the Konexio SME IPO. Today we are discussing the IPO of Merite Export Limited. So let me tell you what the company is all about. The company was incorporated in 2003 and is in business of manufacturing and trading of a yarn and fabric yarn. The company has got three verticals. One is the manufacturing of yarn, trading of yarn, and the trading of fabrics. The company offers a wide range of products such as cotton fabric, towel, bedsheet fabric, polyester and viscose material, and many more. The company also has two subsidiaries, namely Merite Filament Private Limited and Merite Lakshmi Spinning Private Limited. So, what the company's financials are? The company's financials are for FY21, the company has reported revenues of 269 crore, whereas the bottom line, that is a net profit of around 7 crores. EBITDA margin was at around 4%, while the net profit margin was around 2%. The thing has drastically changed for the first 9 months of FY20. It may be the operations are resumed and export market has been opened. For the first 9 months of the current year, the company has reported revenues of around 370 crore and a profit of 15.9 crore. EBITDA margin has improved by almost 200 basis points to 6.5%, while the net profit margin has also increased 4.5%. This is really good. However, we have our following observation. The first thing is that the company's material consumed cost is quite high. It is around 82% of the revenue. Earlier, it was 90%. Secondly, the company's working capital requirements are very high, and that is, I believe, the company is raising the fund for its working capital requirement. As I said, there is improvement in the top line and the bottom line. Immediately, there is improvement in EBITDA margin and the profit margin also. There is also a vast improvement seen in your return ratios, that is ROC and ROE. Short-term working capital is a need of the company and that has increased a lot. Now let's discuss the valuation of the company. In IPO, the company shares are offered at rupees 75. If you take the FY21 into account, the shares are valued at zero point 0.5 of price to book value and around 25 at its P basis. If we annualize the 9 months of the improved performance for the FY22, the P comes to at 8.3, while the price to book value is just 0.32. This seems to be attractive. So, what I feel is for the listing gains, the investor can look into the company, and after that, the company should be watched for another 3 to 4 quarters. How the fundraiser used, how the profitability will able to improve with the support from the coming from the working capital requirement, and the opening of the market in the textile and the domestic and the export market. Now let me share the issue details of the company. The issue is opening on 25th of April and ended for the subscription on 28th of April. The initial public offer is for 64 lakhs, the shares of rupees 10 offered at rupees 75, which will garner around 48 crores. The lot size for the issue is 1,600. The listing will be happening on NSE SME IPO. Object of the issue, as I mentioned, it is to fund the incremental working capital requirement of the growing business. The lead managers to the issue are FedEx Securities Limited. Thank you.